Keto diet. Beginner's keto diet. Standard ketogenic diet. Cyclical ketogenic diet. Targeted ketogenic diet. High protein ketogenic diet. Fish, eggs, cheddar, nuts, avocados, green vegetables. Firstly, you must cut out carbs from your diet. Make use of fresh coconut oil in your cooking. Put physical activity at the top of your priority list. Don't forget to include a high protein in your diet. According to the study, if you stick to a strict keto diet, you can expect to lose around 10 pounds in a month. Make sure to hit that subscribe button.